Okay, I'm back here in the back patio, and we have about an 8-foot porch with the roof above it. But this is like a wet area, and what I want to show is that somebody, probably handyman, wanted to put lights out here, and they ran a 12-2, I think it is, electrical wire out, but then they put fluorescents out here, and fluorescents go from 120 volts, and it uses a transformer up to thousands of volts to ignite the fluorescent tubes. So putting a fluorescent light fixture out in the weather is not a good idea. Let me show you. Okay, as you can see, I've already taken this one down. This is a fluorescent fixture, and this is actually a transformer that converts from 120 volts. This side of it comes out to thousands of volts. And when they had put this out here, somebody knew better, because they actually put, this is silicone sealant, caulking, and they put caulking to try to seal it up. But you can see over here, where the bulbs attach, that it was very corroded, and it's just not a good idea to have, the overhang to where the light is only 36 inches, 4 feet maybe, and you can see it was mounted over here. Let me show you. They actually have 3 of these down here. And that one runs all the way down here and connects right here, and this is what they look like. I already took the bulbs out and got the power shut off, but you can see how corroded it is, and they tried to just seal it up with some caulk to think that that would be good enough. And then they ran another one. It was such a great idea. They ran another one over here. This one, there's actually a bird nest on there, so I'm trying to leave them alone right now. And but I got to pull that one down also. But it's not a good idea to put fluorescent tubes, fluorescent fixtures in a wet area like this. So I'm gonna change this one out, and I'm actually gonna mount it up against the house. And I got just a outdoor fixture like this. It's a LED, and it's made for wet areas. Normally you would put these on the corner of your house, and like a floodlight. But see right there where the wire comes through, I could easily mount this light there, and then it's even further away from any wet, but this is designed to be in a wet area, and then it'll just be a motion sensor floodlight out here. All right, back to work. Okay, taking a look at this. This is kind of a different kind of light. Not sure if I'm gonna like this. We'll just see how long it lasts. It's got 2 built-in LEDs that can rotate, and it's got a motion sensor. So these, this light is like a normal floodlight. You put bulbs in. This one is built in, but I thought I would try this one for now. And what I have to do though is to mount it, I need to mount a box where I want it, and then this mounts to the box. And I have to disassemble this a little bit to get to the wires inside. cover actually has where you connect your wires to it, and this has a plug that this has to line up and plug together. Complicated instead of just using wire nuts. So this actually can mount up there, connect all your wires to it, and then that's going to make it a little more complicated. I'm going to have to do a little bit extra up here, but let me switch to time lapse. Okay, I had to go back and read the instructions, and I had wired it all right, and then I was testing the switch inside, and I didn't have any power on it. I remembered there's a GFCI outlet, and somebody had fed the power through the GFCI to this, so, you know, if there's any ground fault problems, it cut the power off. So now you can see motion sensors working. Now I gotta give you this tiny screwdriver to adjust the settings on this. And I couldn't find the settings. You have to turn the ball here, the eyeball for the sensor, to the side, and they're on the side of the ball here. Sensitivity. Seems to be pretty sensitive right now. You know, it keeps going off. And I'll just have to wait till it gets dark to see about setting the position of the light. But selling the floodlights wasn't too difficult. And I just wanted to get rid of these high voltage ballast fluorescent lights, you know, that aren't made for exterior use. So that's about it. I need to clean up the rest of this and take the other one down. And then once the mama bird finishes raising her chicks and they're out of there, I'm gonna take that other one down too. But I think I'm gonna try to mount this other light down here. Alright everybody, thanks for watching, and click like if you found this useful, and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Take care. So again, don't ever do this and put fluorescent lighting outside. Even though this is somewhat covered, the rain can get onto the porch, and you can see all the holes in the floor, that this is not any type of sealed arrangement. And you can see how rusty it is, you know, and this little transformer goes from 120 volts up to thousands of volts for these two wires right here, and the bulbs to ignite the fluorescent bulbs. So don't ever put fluorescent bulbs that are not made specifically for exterior use in wet conditions. Put them outside like this. This was so dangerous, and you know, I just had to get rid of them. Ever since we bought this house, this has been bothering me. So I just wanted to get them out, and I'll put something made for exterior use in. Okay, it's kind of noisy because of the bugs in the air conditioner. But I want to come out here at night and see what happens with this motion sensor. Well, I have this one, which is solar. Yep. Lights up pretty good. I don't really think I have to adjust it at all. Big bugs and moths and stuff. But it's pretty bright.